Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning 10th class. Dear students, today we will discuss word problems of exercise 3.7 from Punjab textbook board Bahawalpur. Dear student, these word problems actually are the real life applications of ratios and proportion and the variations actually in our daily life, especially in mathematics and in science field. Question number 2. The surface area S varies directly as the square of radius R. Surface area S means this is the surface area of the sphere. Okay, it varies directly as square of radius R. Means if we will increase the radius, then the area also increases. And S is equal to 16 pi when radius is equal to 2. Find R when S is equal to 36 pi. We will write the relation between these two values. S is directly proportional to R square. So we change the proportional sign to equality sign. S is equals to K R square. This is equation number 1. Now we will put the values which are given in our question to find the finding the value of K. Put S is equals to 16 pi and R is equals to 2. S is 16 pi and R square means 2 square. So 2 square is equals to 4. So value of K is equals to 16 pi by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So we will find the value of K which is equals to 4 pi. Now we will go for the change. If S varies from 16 to 36, then what is the value of R? So put the value of S is equals to 36 pi and find the R. You will write the equation number 1 again. S is equals to K R square, and then put the new value of S which is 36 pi. Value of K is equals to 4 pi R square. We will divide 36 pi to 4 pi and get R square is equals to 36 pi by 4 pi. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. So R square equals to 9. When we will take the square root, then we will write R is equals to 3. You know the rule that whenever we will take the square root, then we will get the positive and negative value. But since R is the radius and radius is the length, so length can never be negative. So we will put the radius is equals to plus 3 only. So ignore the negative value. Question number 3. In Hooke's law, the force F applied to stretch a spring varies directly as the amount of S, and F which is force is equals to 32 and S is equals to 1.6. Dear student, Hooke's law is used in the physics, in the field of the physics, and according to this, that force F applied to stretch a string varies directly. When we will increase the force, then the length of the spring also increases. So we will write the relation F is directly proportional to the S. Okay, according to this, force applied S is varies directly as amount of S. So change the proportional constant sign and put equality and sign and the proportional constant K. So relation will be F is equals to Ks. This is equation number 1. Now we will put the values. If F is 32 and S is 1.6, what is the value of K? For this, my dear students, we will put the values of F 32, Ks is 1.6. So divide the equation by 1.6 on both sides. We will find the value of K which is 32 by 1.6, and after division we get the value of K is equals to 20. Now we have two situations. First value is that find S when F is equals to 50. So we will put the value of F is equals to 50 in equation 1. F is equals to Ks is the relation. Put F is equals to 50. Value of K is equals to 20. You can see. So that we will divide the equation on both sides by 20. We will get the value of S is equals to 2.5. And the second part is that find F when S is equals to 0.8. So put S is equals to 0.8 in equation 1. Equation 1 is F is equals to Ks. Here we will write F is equals to 20 into 0.8. So multiply 20 by 0.8. We will get the value of F, value of force, which is equals to 16. Now move to question number 9. The kinetic energy Ke means kinetic energy of a body varies jointly as mass and square of velocity v. This is also the part of the physics. This is in numerical shape, you can say numerical form. The kinetic energy of a body means varies jointly. This is the example of the joint variation. Varies jointly as mass and square of v. So first we will write the relation Ke means kinetic energy is directly proportional to m and v square, and change the proportional sign to proportional constant. Ke means kinetic energy is equals to kmv square. Now if kinetic energy is 4320, kinetic energy is 4320, m is 45, v is 24. So put value of m is 45, v square is equals to 24 square. So we will divide the equation on both sides by 45 into 24 square, and 24 square is equals to 576. So we will get k is equals to 4320 divided by 45 multiplied by 576. After cancellation, the values we will get k is equals to 1 by 6. This is the value of k. Now we will go for the change different values. If m is 3000, first in the start the m is 45, now value of m is 3000, and at the start v is 24 and now v is equals to 44. Then what will be the change in kinetic energy? So write the kinetic energy relation. Question one, relation number this one, kinetic energy is equals to k mv square. Now we will put the different values, new values. K is 1 by 6, m is equals to 3000, v is equals to 44. So first we will divide 3000 by 6, we will get 500. 500 multiplied by 44 multiplied by 44, we will get the answer 9,68,000. This is the answer. Okay, my dear student, this is the end of our chapter number 3, which was about the variations. And I told you that there are two types of variations, direct and inverse. Direct variations actually is the variation in which we will, if increase in one quantity may cause increase in second quantity and vice versa. And inverse variation means the variation when if we increase one quantity, then it may cause decrease in other quantity and vice versa. And we have discussed about the ratio in this chapter. Ratio means the relationship between the two same kind of quantities, and proportion, also proportion is equal to the equivalence of the two ratios. And I hope so that you have enjoyed this chapter very much. If you have any problem, my dear students, do not hesitate any question. Okay, take care of yourself. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.